The Watch GT series is coming to a new round and presents a more restrained design. Stay connected to your health with advanced fitness tracking, long-lasting battery life, and precise GPS. The perfect blend of elegance and performance. Huawei Watch GT 5. Sharp-edge design. The Huawei Watch GT 5 46mm boasts a premium and durable design that balances both functionality and aesthetics. This watch stands out with dimensions of 45.8mm, 45.8mm, 10.7mm, offering a sleek profile that sits comfortably on the wrist, feeling bulky. It is designed to accommodate wrist circumferences from 140 to 210mm. Weighing around 48 grams without the strap, the watch feels light and comfortable to wear all day, even during workouts or outdoor activities. The bezel and mounting components of the Watch GT 5 are made from high-quality stainless steel, giving it a smooth and sturdy finish. The robust build of the watch ensures that it can withstand daily wear and tear while maintaining its premium look over time. For those who prefer a more classic look, the brown strap made of genuine leather offers a timeless and stylish look. High-resolution AMOLED display. The Huawei Watch GT 5 features a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 466 x 466 pixels, offering 326 ppi pixels per inch for crisp visuals. The front panel is designed with a flat screen surrounded by a slim rim, and the bezel is made of stainless steel with minute markers etched into it, providing a classic digital look. Visually, the display appears recessed into the bezel and rim, but the protective glass gives the front surface a flat, smooth finish, ensuring both durability and a sleek aesthetic. Accurate GPS tracking. The Huawei Watch GT 5 is equipped with a high-precision GPS receiver that can accurately determine your geographic location using information from GPS satellites. This technology allows the watch to pinpoint your position with impressive accuracy, which can range from submeters to centimeters, depending on the quality of the satellite signal tracking and processing. The GPS receiver in the watch calculates location data by analyzing signals transmitted from multiple satellites. By receiving signals on different frequencies, the Watch GT 5 can correct positioning errors caused by environmental factors such as tall buildings, dense forests, or mountains, ensuring more accurate tracking in challenging conditions. This high-precision GPS is especially beneficial for outdoor sports like hiking, cycling, and running, allowing users to track routes, distances, and speed with enhanced accuracy. Health and fitness tracking. The Huawei TrueSense technology, refined in this 5th-generation model, ensures even greater accuracy in monitoring traditional health parameters, such as heart rate, sleep quality, and stress levels. Each new generation of Huawei's smartwatches continues to improve in terms of health data precision and activity tracking speed, making the GT 5 a reliable companion for fitness enthusiasts looking for real-time insights into their well-being. Heart rate monitoring. The Huawei Watch GT 5 offers heart rate monitoring as a crucial feature to help users gain insights into their fitness level, heart health, and even emotional well-being. According to Dr. Sinha, regularly monitoring your heart rate can reveal underlying issues that many might not be aware of. A high resting heart rate can indicate that the body is under strain and could be a sign of underlying health issues. By tracking your heart rate over time, the Watch GT 5 helps assess your cardiovascular fitness. Stress, anxiety, and emotional fluctuations can significantly impact heart rate. SpO2 monitoring. The Huawei Watch GT 5 features SpO2 sensors, also known as pulse oximeters, which measure the oxygen saturation in your blood. Monitoring SpO2 levels is crucial because oxygen is essential for the body's cells and organs to function properly, and its absence or reduced levels can have serious consequences. Low blood oxygen levels can indicate respiratory issues or conditions like sleep apnea, lung disease, or cardiovascular problems. By tracking SpO2, the Huawei Watch GT 5 helps detect potential health issues early, allowing for timely intervention. SpO2 monitoring is particularly useful for athletes and individuals who engage in high-intensity training or exercise at high altitudes, where oxygen levels can drop. Keeping track of your oxygen saturation helps ensure that your body is getting enough oxygen during physical activities. Sudden drops in oxygen saturation can signal a medical emergency, such as respiratory failure. By offering continuous SpO2 monitoring, the Watch GT5 provides real-time feedback that can alert users to potential dangers. Sleep tracking. The Huawei Watch GT5 features a sleep tracker that provides detailed insights into your sleep patterns, helping users better understand and improve their sleep quality. The watch can detect and report the number of times your sleep was interrupted throughout the night. Frequent interruptions can negatively impact sleep quality, leading to daytime fatigue and affecting overall well-being. By recording the time you fall asleep and the time you wake up, the sleep tracker provides a clear picture of how many hours of sleep you get each night. Monitoring sleep duration over time helps ensure you're meeting recommended sleep goals for better health. With Huawei True Sleep technology, the Watch GT5 not only monitors sleep but also offers personalized tips and advice to improve sleep patterns, helping users adopt better sleep habits. Diverse sport profiles. The Huawei Watch GT5 offers an advanced feature called Animation to Technology, the Run, designed to provide professional support for runners of all levels. This feature is especially useful for runners looking to enhance their training efforts while minimizing the risk of injury. By offering real-time feedback and insights, it helps users optimize their running technique and monitor performance throughout each session. With over 100 training modes, the device helps users unlock their full potential by finding the most suitable activities for their fitness goals. For each sport, the Watch GT5 evaluates the effectiveness of training in real time, offering useful suggestions and clues to improve performance. Whether you're a runner, swimmer, or a fan of other sports, this smartwatch acts as a personal coach, reducing injury risk and providing comprehensive feedback, making it a valuable tool for athletes looking to take their fitness to the next level. Bluetooth connectivity. The Huawei Watch GT5 supports NFC near-field communication, allowing for convenient contactless payments, quick pairing, and other NFC-enabled functionalities. For wireless connectivity, the watch is equipped with Bluetooth 5.2 technology, operating on the 2.4 GHz frequency. It supports both BR basic rate and BLE Bluetooth low energy, ensuring efficient data transmission, improved energy efficiency, and stable connections with compatible devices such as smartphones, wireless headphones, and other Bluetooth-enabled accessories. This combination provides fast and reliable connectivity for syncing data, calls, notifications, and more. Long-lasting battery. The Huawei Watch GT5 offers impressive battery life depending on how it's used. 14-day battery life for maximum usage, which includes moderate use of GPS, heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, and other smart features. 9-day battery life for regular usage, providing consistent functionality with standard tracking and notifications while conserving battery for a longer period. 5-day battery life with the always-on display enabled, allowing the screen to remain active without significantly draining the battery, while still supporting essential functions like fitness tracking and notifications. This long-lasting battery makes the Watch GT5 an ideal choice for users looking for reliability without frequent recharging. 5 ATM water resistance. The Huawei Watch GT5 is 5 ATM rated for water resistance according. This means that the device can withstand static water pressure up to 50 meters for 10 minutes. However, it's important to note that this rating does not imply that the watch is suitable for use in water that is 50 meters deep. The watch can handle splashes, rain, and activities like swimming in shallow water, but it is not designed for deep water activities such as diving or prolonged immersion in water at significant depths.